Chapter 17, the digestive system. What is a digestive system? The digestive system is a group of organs that breaks down food in order to absorb its nutrients. The nutrients in food are used by the body as fuel to keep all the body systems working. The leftover parts of food which cannot be broken down, digested, or absorbed are excreted as bowel movements. Organs of the digestive system. These are several organs that make up the digestive system. The digestive tract forms one long tube through the body from the mouth to the anus. Then we have the organs of the digestive system in order. First, we have the mouth, where the digestion begins here with food being chewed in the mouth. Then it gets broken down into smaller pieces and eventually amylase breaks down certain starches into smaller sugars, maltose, and dextrin. Then we have the esophagus. This is where the organ is located inside the throat behind the windpipe. Once the food is chewed and swallowed, it then travels down through the esophagus to the stomach. Once it reaches the stomach, the muscles in the esophagus contract to move food along, which then is called peristalsis. Then we have the stomach. Once the food reaches the stomach, then the digestive process continues. The food is mixed with acids and enzymes that are secreted from the stomach wall. After the food is broken down really good, it then gets moved along toward the small intestine. Then on this slide, we have the small intestine. And this is where mainly vitamins and nutrients are absorbed from food into the bloodstream. There are many enzymes that are added into the smallest intestine as the food tends to move through to help facilitate the process. Then we have the large intestine. Once food reaches the large intestine, the food is now partially digested and it's mostly in a liquid form as it passes through a sphincter called ileocecal valve and enters the large intestine. When the stool reaches the end of the large intestine, it is then created into a solid. Then we have the rectum. The rectum is a reservoir that holds the stool until it can be passed out of the body. Once the rectum is full, it then gives a signal to the brain that it's time to go to the restroom. Then you have the anus. The anus has two sphincters and they are used to hold the stool inside the body until it's time to pass it. Once a person relaxes their external sphincter, the stool then leaves the body. On the last slide, you will have my works cited page. Thank you so much.